think these are new. Eczema ingredients. They also have the A and B cream. And this one too. Looks like. Also have the arthritis, the papaya pop cream mask. We also have the cherry one. Yeah, so many. Oh. That is, what is this? The black flower, the black sun. I like it with the charm. That one is candy scent. I like it with the charm. That is strawberry and this is vanilla. I get this one too. I could never find the pistachio one. Oh, is this new? The peptide? No, this is not peptide. I can't see. But there are so many in there. Let me look at this one. Jelly cleanser, like the Bioma one. There are so many. And also this one, I think I already seen that. What else? I think I've seen this. I don't remember. This peptide. The smooth glow. Colors. Oh. The wispy, the pixie, the large one. And look, 14 eyeshadow. It's already open, okay? Somebody open that. Not me. I can't open it. Have I seen this one already? The waterproof mascara. Oh, 32 pieces. Oh, what? What? Oh. I feel like that color. Some more in here. Look. Oh, it's like this. We have these brow pencil, waterproof. That's taupey blonde, and this is mahogany. And the gel eyeliner. Okay. And let me see. There's just a lot of flowers. Look. The flower. And the Popeye, the adult panel print. They also have these. That is cool, large. It didn't say if it's polyester or cotton. Like if you're doing the chunky letters, I think you're gonna need this. It's a big hole. You also have the sewing machine. If you're doing your business, they have like the paper tags. They're 20 pieces.